Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back to another wound up video. Today I have my latest addition to my watch collection. This is a mechanical chronograph watch by Alpina. As you can see, it's called the Alpina Alpiner Chronograph. And today I figured we'll just make an unboxing video and take a quick look at its specifications and show you the watch. And yeah, so without any further ado, let's get straight into the box. So this is a used watch. I did not purchase this one new, mainly because the price of these new are quite expensive. But these watches are available for a fantastic price on the used market. Now, before I open up the inner box here, let's do a quick wristwatch check. Today I am wearing my Omega Seamaster Diver 300M on a Hirsch Airton strap. It's a rubber strap actually, even though it does look like a racing leather strap. It's rubber and it's super comfortable, and yeah, it's awesome. All right then, here we go. Bam, and there she is. So we got our link pieces here, sweet. So what do we have here? We have a mechanical chronograph from Alpina. This is based on the 7750 movement. Of course, at this price point you can't expect anything more higher end or different. Although the 7750 is a workhorse, it's a very reliable movement. It's gonna hold up very well. The servicing costs are good, and overall it's a great movement, although the movement does make the watch a bit thick, as you can see. But that's not a problem for a guy like me who has pretty big wrists. Dimensions wise, it's 41.5 millimeters in diameter. It's 14.5 millimeters thick because it is 7750 based. It's got a 46-hour power reserve, which is pretty decent. It's got a date display here at 6 o'clock. It's got a very nice boxed sapphire crystal here. Looks fantastic. And a rugged crown that is also signed with the Alpina triangle here. The chronograph's pushers are also textured, which does look quite good and feel good too. And starting the chronograph gives off a very nice sound and feel. All right. And of course, also stopping it and resetting it is instant. The only problem that I have with the specifications of this watch is that it's only 50 meters water resistant. And I mean, that's not a huge issue, but that just means I have to be a little bit more careful with it, not to accidentally go into a pool or something like that. So yeah. Looks wise, this is a beautiful watch. I really think that they've done a fantastic job with this watch. I like how the sub-dial for the seconds hand is much more discreet than the ones that you will actually be using. Blends in very nice with the dial. The dial, of course, is, as you can see, it's got a nice sunburst effect and looks amazing in all kinds of different lighting. We have got lume applied on all the markers and the hands. The running seconds hand for the chronograph has a counterbalance with the Alpina triangle in red, which looks great. I do really love these details. We have got an outer telemeter scale here, which, if you don't know what that does, I'll tell you one use case scenario, and that is knowing how far away a thunderstorm is. And you can do that by starting the chronograph when you see the lightning and stopping it when you hear the sound of it. And then the outer scale here will tell you the distance of the thunderstorm clouds in kilometers. Pretty cool stuff. The bracelet is extremely comfortable. It looks kind of like an oyster bracelet. It's 21 millimeters wide, which is a very unusual width and makes it hard to fit straps on this, but I don't care about that because the bracelet is that good. It tapers off to about 18 millimeters, which looks good on the wrist. The clasp is actually a butterfly clasp, which I think looks great on this watch. It's a very high quality clasp. It gives off a nice quality sound and feel, very solid. It also has this Alpina triangle logo here. So yeah, This watch features a bunch of nice details, so yes. The casing is mostly brushed, which I personally like a lot. We have a polished, rounded bezel and some polished sides here and edges to the lugs. But overall the watch is brushed, except of course the middlings here on the bracelet, which does give off a more luxurious look, maybe, I guess you could say, or a more dressy look. So let's get this watch on the wrist and I'll show you guys how it looks on my 19.5 centimeter circumference wrist. It's an amazing looking watch. I really do enjoy it, and I've enjoyed it a lot over the past couple of days that I've had it. It actually, you know, it might be a keeper actually. It might be a watch that will stay for a long time in my collection. Because, you know, it looks good. Nice quality movement, nice details all around the watch. Yeah, I really like it. So, thanks for watching this video. Let me know if you have any questions about this watch. And please do leave a like and subscribe if you would like to see more videos like this one. I will be making a review of this watch in the next couple of weeks, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next video.